The world is crying. We are not only looking at Gaza Strip where the Palestinians are. We are also remembering that there is massacre going on in Congo, massacre going on in South Sudan, and violation of human rights in our country, Kenya. So we are expecting the government of Donald Trump to focus more on making sure that the human rights are respected worldwide.
Africa is a continent with immense potential, brimming with opportunity for growth, innovation, and partnership. We hope your administration will recognize the value of intensely ties with African nations and fostering collaboration in areas like trade, education, and development.
We are very, very glad. We are happy that Donald Trump is coming to power. Thank God for the advancement of technology that is going on, like the Elon Musk. I saw Elon Musk in one of his campaign, personnel. So that will help him when he comes on board. If they're able to produce all those solar cars, you know, those technologies that can help mankind.
Now I hear your agenda is to make America great again. That's a good agenda. Maybe I could tell you that it is possible to make America great again and still be able to incorporate the rest of the world